Now let's try one more method. Let's copy paste. And instead of the entire array, we're going to just pass one price. And we're going to change it to 10,000. We're going to call change value again. But this time, I will going to pass only the first element of the array. And we will now check to see if it has changed. Pass only one array element. So when you pass a single element, it is passed by value. When you pass an entire array, it is passed by reference. It's the same name, but notice there are different parameters. One is an array and the other one is a single variable. So we overloaded the change value method. So line number 18 will call line 34, and line number 20 will call line 37.